Hey guys, Fluid Nation, guess what? My spinner from Winterstrom Art arrived, and the screws to put it together. And these arms that go on it, the quality of these are just utterly amazing. It's so smooth, so rounded corners, so nice. Look at the bottom. You almost don't want to put paint on it, but we're going to. Okay, the quality. Let me tell you about the quality. This is amazing. I wish as a woman that I could do this type of woodworking. And I'm getting it together here. Of course, it's not going to fit in this box. Two handles on. This is beyond compare. Much more the perfection. I mean, it's just so smooth and yeah, I know I'm being silly, but seriously. The perfection is not what I don't know what I expected, but this is beyond compare to what I expected. Her work, and not only these, but her paintings are absolutely amazing. Jessica. Okay, that's going to be 3 arms. Seriously, it's so cool. I have second thoughts about getting paint on it, but what would I do with it if I didn't use it for that? One thing about this is you certainly don't have to worry about paint getting in your gears of your spinner because of the way it's made. Now, I am not a tool person, so getting this together in a matter of, oh, cute little sticker, what, 10 minutes? Is utterly amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I suppose you'd like to hear it spin. So would I, but it doesn't fit in this box. So you'll have to wait just a while. Amazing. I'm so pleased.